calibration. It finds the line. Then it's got 3 modes of movement. So this first one is called spinning. This is where it's actually moving forward and turning on its z-axis. When the position gets below a certain point, it turns to vectoring motion, which is like moving on its x-axis.
What is the position? What does position mean?
Position is where the sensors are aligned underneath. So if it's off the edge to a certain extent, then the position is based on a mathematical calibration that the sensors do. When it goes all the way off the line, the position equals either 0 or 7,000 of the extremes of position. That's when it does a turn movement, where it actually just stops and turns 90 degrees. So here we have a spin, spin, there's a vector, spin. The difference between spin and vector is not perfect right now.
So for all our listeners out there, spin is going forward and turning on its axis. Okay. And turn is it's just turning on its axis without moving forward.
It's stopping and then turning on its axis.
Okay.
Where a vector is where it's moving on its x-axis, so it's moving on a diagonal. So this is a turn into the code machine.
Okay.
You see it's vectoring where it's actually moving in a diagonal because it didn't get perfectly straight back on the line. And that would be a turn. And that's a spin to get back to the line.
So vectoring is a type of movement that's enabled by these wheels, right? Their design, yeah?
It is.
Is that right?
They're called Mecanum wheels.
Okay.
M-E-C-A-N-U-M.
Oh, they've got little spindles on them, yeah.
They do. This is a spin. It's also spinning at a slightly slower speed so that it stays on the line and it doesn't overcorrect.
And how did it learn to do all this?
Science. Science and lots of Googling. Alright, let's turn off the Script machine.